Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss living and non-living things as we did in our previous lesson. So open your books, page 38 and 39. Open your books, page number 38 and 39, please.
Mister, I
Yes.
did this page.
Okay, that's good. This is actually your homework today. It's easy for you now, I think.
When we had the holiday,
Yeah,
we took the
that's good. Okay.
non-living things and the living things. We took them.
Okay.
living. الليفينج ايش خصائص الليفينج؟ الليفينج تمشي walk.
Okay, so this is your homework. You will do it by yourself. You will circle living things from here and send it to me. Okay. Learn that animals and plants are living things. Find out there are things that have never been alive. Those are called non-living things. We can divide world into living and non-living things. Of course, some things you will find living and some are non-living things. How do we know if something is living or has never been alive? It means non-living thing. How can we identify? Okay, we can write living things carry life,
If it can breathe,
life
grow,
processes,
walk,
but
and like
non-living things don't.
moves or something, breathes, moves. What?
Yes, so
Non-living things like Mister,
so here you can write
the
living
living things
things.
we know that
Yeah, living things
they know
carry
how
life
we
processes.
know they are living or non-living things because they move, grow and like
They produce.
walk and see and these things.
Yes, life processes means here you can see life processes. This word means breathing, eating, drinking, sleeping, walking. These are all life processes. Okay, Uday. So you can write here living things carry life processes, but non-living things do not. Because non-living things cannot breathe, eat, drink, or sleep, whatever the life processes are. Okay, understood?
Okay.
Okay, anyone who did not understand, أي أحد هو ما فهم.
Yes.
Okay, on the next page, why do you think that animals and plants are living things? Living things can breathe, grow, move, and eat. Non-living things cannot do all of these things because these are life processes and life belongs to living things. Okay. We can write here because they carry life processes. So you will write this here upside. Why animals and plants are living? Because they carry life processes like eating, drinking, sleeping, breathe, grow, everything. Which word are about living things? Draw the circle. About living things. Living thing. Water is a living thing? Anyone? Water is a living thing. Water.
Yes.
Oh, they water is living thing?
Oh, sorry. Water non-living. Oh,
Non-living.
non-living.
Eat. Yani inta akul. Eat. Only eat. This is living?
No.
About
Not living.
living things eat or not?
Yes. Yeah.
So eating belongs to living things. So it's yes. Movement is living or non-living? Living things move or not? Yes, living things move. Table is not. Grow, yes, it's about living things.
Yes. Move.
Plastic, no.
And
Wood,
living things
no.
can move or
Chair,
grow
no.
or do
Tiger,
anything
yes.
that like people
Stone, no. Glass, no. Breathe, yes. So there are some water, chair, table, plastic, wood, stone, glass. These are about non-living things. About living things, grow, walk, move, eat, tiger, breathe. These are all about living things. Okay. Fill in the correct word. Plants and animals are living things. It is done for you. Plants and animals are living things for you. This is done. You have 4 words. Animals move, rocks, and grow. So you have animals is done. Living things can grow. Here you will write move. Can grow, they can move and eat. Buildings and rocks. Buildings and rocks have never been alive. It means those are non-living things. Things that are not alive can not grow. It's easy because first letter is written. Hello. They cannot grow, they cannot move, they cannot eat. So these are all life processes and living things, non-living things don't. Living things carry them, but non-living things don't. اكتب بسرعة. write quickly. grow يعني نمو. walk يعني يمشي. move يعني يحرك. eat يعني
Mister,
ياكل.
is this the final session?
Yeah, I think so. Check your schedule. I think
Can
this is the
it
last one. عدم ايوه اكتب يا حبيبي. write in your notebooks please.
Can it tiger? Mister,
Tiger is
the clock
the
is
brother.
7:11
Uday,
p.m.
can you tell me tiger in Arabic? What is tiger in Arabic? Cheetah?
No.
Sorry?
Namr.
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 Okay. فهمت يا آدم؟
Yes.
Okay. من باقي وما خلصت؟ إيش؟ Anyone who did not finish till now? Tomorrow in first period يعني بكرة في حصة أولى إن شاء الله الساعة 3:30 أنا أرسل لك اللينك for the quiz. okay. الحين أنا أشرح. now I will explain. وبكرة أنا ارسل. اوكي ارسل لينك. الحين انا اشرح. لو انت ما فاهم كلم الان. اوكي if you don't understand just ask me now. okay just let me okay. okay here I will. okay who will tell me this is living or non-living?
Non-living.
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 Very good.
Don't live.
Which of the following is a non-living thing? هذا ولا هذا. non-living. This is pig, this is a cat, this is a doctor, and this is robot.
Robot.
Number one,
Robot.
robot. Robot is a non-living thing. Very good. Okay, this is easy. Which of the following can move on its own? يعني هو حرك نفسه. ما يبغى يعني أي نفر شيل أو ارمي أو anything.
Monkey.
يا سلام.
Monkey.
Thank you so much. Which of the following is only living thing that do not move? يعني في واحد living thing هو ما في حرك. Tree. This is non-living. Let me just explain. اسمع حبيبي. The question is which of the living thing do not move? هذا lion حرك. This is girl حرك. This is non-living thing هو ما يبغى. They need living thing but do not move. The tree do not move. يعني شجر ما في حرك. هذا صح. Very nice. Okay, next. Which of the following is a living thing?
I did it first, so
which one
I
is
got a
living
point.
thing? Window, door, mobile, or
Dog.
puppy? Thank you so much. Next. Which of the following is natural? Natural يعني ما في إنسان سوي. هو سوي من الله. يعني that is natural, not man-made.
natural البحيرة.
natural طبيعي يعني.
شيء طبيعي مو سواء الإنسان.
Yes, very nice. Okay, this one. Which things يعني هنا في اكتب dash, this is blank, can produce their young ones يعني هو يجي baby. Those are called living ولا non-living? Of course, living things. Yes. So you will write here اكتب هنا living things. Right? Yes, living things.
Living.
Okay, this is a part of a plant. هو تحت الشجر موجود, تحت الأرز موجود. Okay, that is flower Seed yani bizra wala root.
Seed is a root.
Seed.
هو بذرة.
Seed.
Seed bizra ya habibi. This is seed.
No.
No, these are roots. أيوة. These
الجذور
are
roots.
roots. أيوة. Roots. Very good. Living things are born يعني مولود بعدين grow يعني نمو reproduce وأخيرا إيش draw fly ولا die يعني موت.
No, this
Die.
Living things are born, grow, reproduce, and at the end they die. Very good. Thank you so much. Living or non-living? Huh? Living. It's easy.
living.
Yes, it's easy. Very good. Rocks, water, air, sun, and soil. Living wala non-living? Rocks yani hajar, water yani moya. Non-living.
So they know the answer when I say.
Thank you so much. What does the term non-living means? يعني ايش معنى non-living? They grow يعني هو يجي كبير. It needs shelter يعني هو يبغى بيت. They do not breathe يعني ما في تنفس ما في أكل ما في شرب ولا they drink or they don't drink.
And eat
हाँ.
and drink.
Do not drink.
Do not breathe, do not eat, do not drink. يعني
Do
आखिर
not
वाहिद.
drink.
It does not breathe يعني ما في تنفس. Eat يعني ما في أكل. Or drink يعني ما في يشرب. This is the right answer. Okay, Fahad?
All of them are my baby.
All living things need dash to breathe. يبغى ايش في التنفس؟ يبغى leaf، يبغى water، food ولا air؟ تنفس.
Water.
تنفس.
Water and food. Water and food.
I hear Adam is saying something. Yes. Mustafa Aldibo, اسمع سوال.
Hey.
I said for breathe يعني تنفس. انت تنفس في المويه؟ مصطفى انت تنفس في المويه ولا في الاير يعني هواء؟ We need air for breathe يعني تنفس. انت تنفس في الاير. Yes. In the air. Thank you so much Adam. Adam كلام بس air. Okay. Who grows old and dies يعني مين يجي كبير وبعدين موت؟ كرسي pen table or شجر يعني tree يعني لازم dies. ايوه dies يعني هو living. Yes, thank you so much. Good, thank you. Which of the following is a man-made يعني इंसान सवी सन्ना ما في طبيعي. This mountain هذا इंसान सवी वला man? A volcano or the car, bird, tree, which is not natural, man-made يعني इंसान सवी هذا ايش هو؟ ايش يسوي इंसान؟ car, bird, tree ولا volcano? ها car. Very good.
Car.
Excellent. Car. The following is not a non-living. Yani who are non-living thing, which is not a living thing. Huh? Boy, bicycle, cat, bicycle. Yes. Sana. Thank you so much.
Bicycle.
Excellent. Living or non-living? Non-living. Thank you so much. Living or non-living?
Living. I heard someone say non-living.
It's living. That's why I am
The tree
pointing.
one.
Choose a non-living. tree, hammer, girl, or chick? Hammer. Yes. Okay. Non-living. This is non-living.
Hammer. Hammer not living.
All living things dash and get bigger. Yani كيف يجي انت كبير? If you sleep, if you play, if you jump, or if you grow.
Grow.
Grow. Yes. Grow. Yani نمو. Right?
This is easy.
Yes. This is easy.
This is
Okay.
easy, Mom.
Yes, it is easy. I will send you link now. Okay.
Mister,
Yes.
when I see the right,
Yes, I can't hear you. They open your mic.
when I see the right answer, they say it when
That's
I
good. Okay.
when
Thank
I
you so
see
much. No problem. They are also learning. No problem.
يعني
Okay, boys. I will send you link now. أنا أرسل لك الحين link. طيب. Yes, Amir. Again, please.
okay,
Yes,
teacher.
I will send you link now, and you will finish this now. Okay. Thank you so much. Goodbye.